Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila and this is my own style of tryon haul. I hope you like it. I hope you like my outfit. This one I've made myself. I've knitted it myself with a plait in the center. Something in between the skirt and obviously an apron, I think. And I've chosen these two colors so that it's coordinating one with the other. So I hope you like it.
What makes you journey into the night and take flight on a pursuit of musical bliss? Chasing beats through ghetto streets to a dungeonous temple left by our soul descendants in a quest for peace, energy, and light. If you were to find this temple, do you have the knowledge to enter the
Thank you for watching me and subscribing.
Do you want it? And if you had it, would you flaunt it? Well, it's yours. Acquiring entrance to the temple is hard but fair. Trek through God-forsaken elements because the reward is well worth the journey. Stay steadfast in your pursuit of the light. The light is knowledge. Do you want it? And if you had it, would you flaunt it? It's yours.
Thank you for watching and subscribing. I hope you like my music in my videos. Please leave a comment and tell me if you like it. Thank you.
Touch yourself.